Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Fabio Marques here, answering more questions that I received. Another one from Steve Harwood, and it's a very interesting one. It's very personal to me. He's asking, what would you characterize as your most fulfilling experience as an outside consultant, and why? I've been a consultant, professional speaker, and trainer for 25 years now. And I've had the privilege of working with hundreds of organizations and hundreds of thousands of people. And it's very difficult to answer that question because every day in my work is very fulfilling. Even if I'm talking to just one person, if I feel like I'm touching their lives, that's very rewarding. And sometimes I'm speaking to 1,000 people at the same time, and the level of energy is amazing and I love it. So it's very hard to answer that. I'm going to try, but it's very hard to answer that. But I remember one experience where I guess I was able to do everything in one project, and that was very fulfilling. I was able to give speeches, inspirational speeches. I was able to train people. I was able to empower people to be better leader coaches. And I was able to really transform 5,000 people in 5 months using all the strategies. So there was a very clear objective. So I helped the organization to find that objective, which was increase the value of the company, because they were about to sell the company. So they wanted to increase the value of the company so they could sell at a higher price. And we accomplished that. In 5 months, we increased the value of the company in 50%, because we increased the volume of sales in more than 50%, so they could sell the company for 50%, 50% more money that they would sell 5 months earlier. So that was an amazing result, right? And so I was able to do strategic consulting meetings with the top executives. So we designed the strategy to achieve that goal. So I had this moment of working with very high level executives, president, vice president, CEOs, and directors. So that was very rewarding because I was facilitating a process of creating this great strategy to accomplish that goal. Then I had the chance to do inspirational speeches to all the managers about our vision for this project and how the project will work, and get them engaged in the project. It was a very big buy-in. Then I was able to select in the market the proper resources, the proper methodology to multiply training to 5,000 people in record time. So we were able to do that in 5 months. Or less, actually, because when we started the entire process, training the entire organization was like 4 months, and the month before was the strategy creation and talking to the executives and inspiring the managers. And then when we really started deploying, the major project was 4 months. So that was amazing. So I was able to find the proper resources to do train the trainer and to help managers to deploy the training to 5,000 employees. And then I did the training to 88 managers. And those 88 managers then felt confident and empowered to multiply the training to 5,000 people. And not only we increased the value of the company in 50% in 5 months, but the atmosphere was great. The environment, everybody was with this great positive energy, because we increased the quality of life of the employees as well, and the customer experience as well. Not only increased sales, we improved the customer experience, and we improved the employee experience and the process. So we changed many, many lives in 5 months. And until this day, I sometimes receive an email from someone that were in that project, like an employee or like a director or like an executive or like a manager, telling me how important that project was to change their lives. So if I would have to really pick one experience, I would pick this one, because this experience congregates almost every activity that I perform as a consultant, professional speaker, and trainer, and executive coach in just one project. So, and the impact was amazing. The results were amazing. So everybody won. And so that was really one of the most fulfilling experiences I have had as an outside consultant. I hope that answers your question, Steve. Thank you for the question. And remember, I'm Fabio Marques, and I wish you health and wealth always. See you next time.